Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. Not many people talk about them. They are quite on the radar, and I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is another Middle Eastern brand that is quite unknown. I haven't seen anybody talk about it on, at least on YouTube, and I heard one or two people mentioning them on Facebook and something like that, and I thought, okay, so I have to check them out and see if they're any good. So in this video I have the brand is called Ajyad, and it's another brand from Dubai, from Middle East, from UAE. And this one in particular called Aitizaz. So there is this line of fragrance from the Ajyad is called Aitizaz, and this one in particular called Woody Velvet. So it's called Ajyad Aitizaz Woody Velvet, and this is Eau de Perfume 100 ml. So it's a nice box, quite simple, but it's got a nice design to it. Nice coloring. Sorry about the noise. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative or entertaining, you know what to do. Hit those buttons. This way you help me, you encourage me, you motivate me to make videos like this in future. Thank you very much for your support, and let's go. So you know, with the Middle Eastern brands I always give you everything plus the kitchen sink for the price. So I paid under £20 for this beauty, and let's see how it goes. So this is the box. As you can see, attention to detail is quite nice. It says Ajyad. Nice bottle too. It's quite a heavy bottle. It says Ajyad Aitizaz Woody Velvet, and it's the cap is plastic. It's nothing to brag about. But let's see the atomizer. Very good atomizer. Perfect. So how is Ajyad Aitizaz Woody Velvet? Here we go. First sniff, first impression. Goodness me, how do they do it? You know, under £20, such a presentation, such a beautiful smell, and it's gorgeous. It's just unbelievable. So first thing it hits is the spices, but don't forget, I mean, this is very Middle Eastern. There's quite Arabic smell to it. It's very woody, and I'm guessing there's a oud in here as well. Yeah, definitely oud in here, but oud is not overpowering, at least for the first sniff, first impression. It's spicy, and the spices come from the cinnamon. It's got some underlying floral to it, so it looks like some rose and jasmine in here as well. And it's very woody. So the woods are, that's about oud in here, but the oud is very toned down right now. It's got sandalwood because it's very smooth. The woodiness is quite smooth, and it's quite sweet, so I'm guessing there is vanilla or tonka bean in here as well. Yeah, it's got a little bit of nuttiness to it, so I'm guessing it's tonka bean. But what a smell. Beauty. Gorgeous. Again, for under 20 quid. 100 ml. Eau de Perfume. Such a beautiful smell, and the composition is, in a way, it's very nice. It's very smooth. It's very well blended. No harshness. No alcohol. Gorgeous. I'm loving it. There's quite a full body to it, so it's like some sort of amber accord in here as well, and definitely is muskiness as well. It's quite musky, tiny bit of darkness, not much, at least for the first impression, for a sniff, but what a beauty. So the main players here, first thing, is the spiciness, and that cinnamon is big in here. So it's a big cinnamon. After that is floral, so the florals are big. It's jasmine and rose. And after that is the woods, especially sandalwood and the oud. Oud is quite toned down right now, but the sandalwood is very, very prominent and making it very smooth. It's quite depth to it, so it's quite ambery. Definitely Smith musk. And there is a sweetness, I would say between 0 to 10, 10 being the sweetest, around 7, so it's quite sweet. What a smell, absolutely gorgeous. It's inevitable somebody will ask, what is it remind you of? Look, guys, why does it always have to remind you of anything? On its own, this is gorgeous. Look, I smelled this DNA before, yes. It's nothing new because it's quite Arabic, it's quite Middle Eastern, it's very, very Oriental, it's quite woody, and the florals and the cinnamon. Yeah, it's a genre that I smelled many times before, but specifically what it reminds me of, right now I can't tell you, but it is very, very familiar to me. What a smell, absolutely gorgeousness, especially for this time of year, for winter. This is an absolute must. I will let you in the next video the longevity, the development and the things like this, but right now for the first impression, 2 thumbs up. Another beautiful fragrance from Middle East for a bargain price. You see, I bring you these bargain prices because I believe there are many brands out there that are making a very, very good perfumes for very, very good prices, and you don't have to go to those big names and pay ridiculous prices for those. Just, you know who they are, and you're getting maybe less quality or at least less longevity, and you're paying an arm and length. Okay, so that's why I bring you these things to your attention. I'm not affiliated, I bought it with my own money. I don't get it sponsored, there is nobody's paying me, nothing. It's just basically because I'm interested. This is my hobby, I love this hobby, and when I see something that is worth your time and your money, I'll bring it to your attention for your convenience, and that's it. So your support will take me places, because I don't get paid, I'm just spending money myself. But please, if you like what I do, don't hesitate to subscribe, to hit those bell button, to hit those like button, to share this video with others, and so on and so forth. Okay guys, thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video. If you like what I do, again, hit those buttons. And if you like to purchase one of my own fragrances, yes, I'm a perfumer, I make it myself, nobody else is involved, nothing, just me, from scratch to the perfume itself. It's out of this world. They are super beast mode, very artistic, very unique, very interesting, but there's a big but, and that but is you need to live in the United Kingdom in order to purchase them, because unfortunately the post doesn't allow me to ship it overseas. Okay guys, thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye.